Yeah? Sam, what do you think about that dog? Do you like Gizmo? Whoa. Stay out of the way, dog. I'm going in your cage.
Oh, he is. Oh, my gosh.
And like the good parent I am, I'm going to allow this. Oh, there we go.
Because I was trying to figure out, like, what's going on. Are you...
What is this person?
Yeah, oh, because I was like, do you want the bed?
Yep. Are you going to go in there, Sam, or what?
I don't encourage it.
I only have
to watch this all day.
I know.
All day.
Yeah.
Gizmo Tail has not stopped wagging.
Yeah.
I know.